Hello viewers, welcome again to another segment of my tutorial video. On this video, I'll be teaching you on how to use if function in Microsoft Excel. If function is one of the logical functions in Microsoft Excel. The if function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. For example, now like we have on the screen, if the amount is higher than 50,000, it is high. If it is lower than 50,000, it is low. So how are we going to effect it here? Start with your equal to sign. If B5 is greater than 50,000, it is high. If it is lower, then it is what? Low. As you can see, what you do, you copy, then you paste it here, or you just drag it down. So as you can see that 45,000 is low, 90,000 is high, 25,000 is low. Now let me show you another example. Now this is class grade. We have 0, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now start with your equal to sign. If B5 is less than 40, it will give us fail, F. If B5 is less than 50, give us D. If B5 is less than 60, give us C. If B5 is less than 70, give us B. If B5 is less than 80, give us B plus. B plus. If B5 is less than 90, give us A. Then if it is greater than 90, to give us A plus. Then you count the bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you close your bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have your F. You also copy, then paste, or you can just drag it down. Now another example. We have names of students. Now we have their ages or their age. Then we have now how do we know a teenager? A teenager is between 13 to 19. Now if John is a teenager, it will say yes. If John is not a teenager, it will say no. So how do we do that? Now this one we are going to combine two functions, and if. And if, then start with your equal sign. If and open your brackets, if D5 is greater than 12, comma, then D5 is less than 20, then close your bracket, comma. If it is, then what happened? Yes. S will give us no. Now, why did we introduce and? And is a logical statement or a logical function that gives you true or yes if both conditions are met. If one condition is met and the other one is not, that means it's going to give you a no. Now, in my next video, I will be explaining how to use and how to use or. So for this one, let's see what will be the answer. Oh, 23. 23 is no. 23 is above teenagehood. Now, you can drag it to the next one. This is yes. You also drag it down. 33 is no. 10 is no. 18 is yes. Now, I'm going to give you another example how to use if. Now, we have items. We have the bought, the amount of purchase, sale, and the profit made. Start with your equal to sign. Start with your then. If this is sale, if C5 is not equal to anything, what will happen? We have now what simply mean what if C5 is not equal to an empty space. Now what should happen? C5 minus B5. But if C5 is empty, then what should be the result? Do not calculate. That will mean by this one. Do not calculate. Leave it empty. But if C5 is not empty, if it's not empty, then do this calculation. That's what it simply means. I'm going to close my bracket. Hit my enter key. Now I want to drag it down. You can see the condition is what met. This one is C5 is empty, so it's also leaving this one empty. It's not going to calculate it. Now, for instance, if I try to impute a figure here, now let me impute a figure. Okay, 25,000. You can see. So that means the condition was what? Met. So that's how to use if statement. If there's any question, please use my comment section. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and help me to share this video. Thank you.